Man, I'm dead for real about to teach y'all like how to go from this to this right here. Just in under 10 minutes, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure I hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's hop straight into it. Let's get it. Let's go. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking me about my haircut and like what type of hairstyle I got, this and that and the third. I basically get a drop fade. I get a drop fade when I'm going to the barbershop. Now, obviously, I'm not too experienced with the fades and all the different types of stuff. Excuse me, as I tell y'all like further into the video, like towards the end of the video, I'll tell y'all like my experiences with haircuts and all that different type of stuff. But I'm showing y'all all the objects that I use during this video, so y'all won't have no questioning on what I did in the comment section down below. And even if you did, man, I got y'all in the comment section down below. Y'all can even hit me up on Instagram, upnextmalyt, alright, for any questions as well. Y'all know this for a fact, alright. But anyways, man, yeah, so we doing the self haircut, and this is like I tell y'all towards the end of the video, this is my 6th time doing this, like actually cutting my own hair. And basically I got into this because I got tired of paying the $25 per week. Now that's just like low in Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? I was in Snellville, Lawrenceville, one of those, and I was paying like $25 a week for that. But anyways, right here, man, what I'm about to show y'all, like what's very crucial with the fade is the guideline, man. You got to make sure that you have a straight guideline. You know what I'm saying? I set my guideline with the Andes outliner. You feel me? I was posted about the T outliners or the outliner 2, something like that. And like I said, bro, like I just be cutting my own hair, like, you know, like I just started with this junk, so I don't be knowing like all the technical stuff that the barbers be knowing, this and that and the third. Like I just got the enhancement. Like, yeah, you seen the enhancement at the beginning. Yeah, I got all that. I got the mirror. I got both of the clippers. I mean, people use multiple clippers, you know what I'm saying? Like that's what I'm learning also. With this right here, bro, all this is a learning experience for me and for you guys, man. I just want to share my experience with you guys because obviously we going through this journey together, you know what I'm saying? I'm recording it, so y'all going through it with me, you know what I'm saying? And all I'm doing right here is on fading it. And I was really supposed to give you guys a whole tutorial, but I just wanted to make this video more of a transformation video, not just a tutorial video, you know what I'm saying? I feel like it's a lot of self-cut tutorial videos. Shout out to Munch Bowl. I also give you a shout out towards the end of the video also. But every time I'm cutting my hair, bro, I watch that dude video, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to him. But at the same time, like I knew it was like a lot of people that wanted to know like about my hairstyle, about my haircut. So that's what I'm really doing. I'm really showcasing this video. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy, but yeah, I had to just show y'all, man. I really go through this process. I really do this. And yeah, I'm about to talk to y'all about that all right now. Do a quick 360 for y'all niggas. Don't ask me what I did at 3. Alright, so look. No kizzy cap. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video. Transformation, self-cut, no retwist, something like that. I'm gonna add all those in there, but I just try to make this video like very entertaining for you guys because I know for like the last couple months, man, I just been putting out no edited content, and I don't really like not editing my content, not really like using my mind to create the content, you know what I'm saying? I don't really like just throwing something out there when I know I could do something better, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm really trying to just get on the roll of every other day, you know what I'm saying? Then eventually having great entertaining content for you guys each and every day, you know what I'm saying? So you guys can come home and just watch it. But it's all a process, you feel me? But yeah, this is my 6th time. This is my 6th time cutting my hair, my own hair, you know what I'm saying? I use the razor. Right, you gotta be careful when you're using that razor too, bro. If you ever do use one, but I use the razor to cut all this off, because if you go in with your clippers, it ain't gonna get it down to like the skin, you know what I'm saying? The razor really gonna do the job of that, you know what I'm saying? I line myself up with the T-liners too, but yeah, I'm gonna create something different. I'm gonna create something that, excuse me, I'm gonna create something that's nobody really created with the self-cut videos or anything like that. Probably make it into like a little storyline type junk, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that, just to have add some spice to it, just to be different with my channel, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm a very different individual. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me, hey bro, what's your cut? Hey bro, you know what I'm saying? What if you go to the barbershop and you just trying to get a cut like this, just ask for an all-around fade, you know what I'm saying? I don't have any hair in the back, you know what I'm saying? So it's really just an all-around fade. I usually get a drop fade where the fade comes down right here, but this is like a high top fade. I don't know what you be calling these. I don't know. Just ask for an all-around fade though. They're gonna get you right about that. But what really inspired me to start cutting my own hair, bro, I got tired of paying $25 like every 2 weeks, you know what I'm saying, every week, or you know what I'm saying, every time I wanted to look good, you know what I'm saying, I have to pay $25, or I have to wait in line, or I have to hit somebody up, you know what I'm saying, like, and then my barber really, like, I hit her up, right? But then, like, my barber, she got me mad. Like, she didn't get me mad, but it was like she kind of got me heated, because it was like, I felt like we built a relationship, and she was like, yo, you can't just hit me up anytime, you know what I'm saying, like anything like that. So she's like, you got to schedule ahead of time, this and that and third, like, and I understand all that shit, like, but she was, it just went out of proportion, like the whole conversation just went out of proportion. I'm like, cool, bet, I'm about to learn this skill, you know what I'm saying? Plus I got time on my hands, plus it's the extra video for you guys, so I could just do this, I could just make this type of video, you know what I'm saying, for y'all. And any other type of questions that y'all have, make sure you comment in the comment section down below, bro. We came a long, long way. Like, I came from not even cutting the back of my hair. I used to just cut the sides and just leave the back, just have my dreads covering up the back, because I didn't know how to fade. I didn't know, you know what I'm saying? So, your first time cutting your own hair, bro, it might not be as easy as you think it is, you know what I'm saying? You could just keep learning the skill over and over again. But shout out to Munchbowl, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Munchbowl, because every time I cut my hair, I watch his video, his self-cut video. It's one of his self-cut videos. It's the first one that he ever uploaded, right? And yeah, I just watch his videos, and every time I watch his videos, bro, he get me right, you know what I'm saying? He get me right, he take me through the tutorials, he take me through the whole process. So if you see me in the video saying, okay, lever open, lever close, like, he's telling me all that, you know what I'm saying? So I just follow his directions, and I just cut it, you know what I'm saying? I just cut it, and I watch how he cut it, and I just get better each and every time, you know what I'm saying? That's what anything you do in life, bro. You just gonna keep evolving. So you just gotta keep going, keep doing whatever you're doing, right? So yeah, with this YouTube junk, bro, I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to get back focused, you know what I'm saying? Because once I know I get back focused on this YouTube junk, it's really over with. Once I schedule a couple of videos ahead of time, it's over with, because some days I might not can't edit, I might not can't upload, you know what I'm saying? So those days I need to go ahead and have a scheduled out plan, you get what I'm saying? But that's just me talking to y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment any questions that y'all have down below, follow all my social medias in the link in the description. Catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.